Your lips are as unique as you are. A signature feature that helps you express yourself and make your mark on the world. Which is why lip injections have shown staggering growth since 2000. How can the products in the Juvederm collection help you make your mark?
Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Sella. As a dermatologist, I treat hundreds of patients a year who are interested in natural-looking, long-lasting results. Lips are a very distinct feature on a woman's face, and some may be seeking a different look than others. Treatment should be personalized, being considerate of what you want while preserving symmetry and proportion. Since every patient is different, during the first consultation, we'll look at your lips in relation to your entire face. Together, we'll choose a treatment that works best for you. We don't want to overcorrect, just create a natural-looking, long-lasting result. The Juvederm collection of fillers offers 2 products that are approved for lip augmentation. This gives me more options to tailor treatments that are just as unique as my patients. What I see here is that she has fine lines around the outside of her lips that we can do a nice job of smoothing. For her, I would recommend Juvederm Volbella XC to provide subtle fullness in her lips while smoothing the lines around them. She has beautiful lip structure. Increasing fullness in her lips will work well with the balance of her facial features. Juvederm Ultra XC would be my recommendation for her. Both will have treatments that are tailored to them. The safety and effectiveness of Juvederm fillers have been well established and tested in various clinical trials. In the clinical trial, Juvederm Volbella XC was found to effectively increase lip fullness in a majority of subjects through 1 year. Juvederm Ultra XC is a dermal filler proven to instantly add fullness to the lips for up to 1 year. Juvederm is the #1 selling collection of dermal filler products in the world. They are made from a modified form of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, is a naturally occurring sugar found in the human body. The gel formulations in the Juvederm collection of fillers undergoes a proprietary manufacturing process that creates a smooth consistency gel.
The most common side effects include tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching. Dryness was also reported for Juvederm Volbella XC. With Juvederm Ultra XC injectable gel, most side effects are mild or moderate and last 14 days or less. For Juvederm Volbella XC, side effects were predominantly mild or moderate and lasted 30 days or less. So go ahead, make your mark. Please listen to the full safety information. Juvederm Ultra XC and Juvederm Volbella XC important information. Approved uses. Juvederm Ultra XC is for injection into the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation in adults over the age of 21. Juvederm Volbella XC injectable gel is for injection into the lips for lip augmentation and for correction of perioral lines in adults over the age of 21. Important safety information. Are there any reasons why I should not receive any Juvederm injectable gel formulation? Do not use these products if you have a history of multiple severe allergies or severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, or if you are allergic to lidocaine or the gram-positive bacterial proteins used in these products. What precautions should my doctor advise me about? Tell your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. The safety of these products for use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding has not been studied. The safety of Juvederm Ultra XC injectable gel in patients under 18 years has not been studied. The safety and effectiveness of Juvederm Ultra XC for areas other than the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation or facial wrinkles and folds have not been established in clinical studies. Tell your doctor if you have a history of excessive scarring, e.g. hypertrophic scarring and keloid formations, or pigmentation disorders, as use of these products may result in additional scars or changes in pigmentation. Tell your doctor if you are planning other laser treatments or a chemical peel, as there is a possible risk of inflammation at the treatment site if these procedures are performed after treatment. Patients who experience skin injury near the site of injection with these products may be at a higher risk for side effects. Tell your doctor if you are on immunosuppressive therapy used to decrease the body's immune response, as use of these products may result in an increased risk of infection. Tell your doctor if you are using medications that can prolong bleeding, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or other blood thinners, as this may result in increased bruising or bleeding at the injection site. Minimize strenuous exercise, exposure to extensive sun or heat, and alcoholic beverages within the first 24 hours following treatment. What are possible side effects? The most common side effects include tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching dryness was also reported for Juvederm Volbella XC. With Juvederm Ultra XC injectable gel, most side effects are mild or moderate and last 14 days or less. For Juvederm Volbella XC, side effects were predominantly mild or moderate and lasted 30 days or less. One of the risks with using this product is unintentional injection into a blood vessel, and while rare, the complications can be serious and may be permanent. These complications, which have been reported for facial injections, can include vision abnormalities, blindness, stroke, temporary scabs, or permanent scarring. As with all skin injection procedures, there is a risk of infection. To report a side effect with Juvederm Ultra XC or Juvederm Volbella XC, please call Allergan at 1-800-433-8871. Please also visit juvederm.com for more information. Available by prescription only.